Making sure the feet are hip distance apart, taking an inhale, extending through the arms, looking up towards the ceiling. Exhale and fold forwards down to the mat. Inhale to straighten the back to look forward into your halfway lift. Bring the hands to the mat. We're stepping that right foot back to your lunge. Inhale and bringing the arms up. Again, looking towards the ceiling. And we're holding this for a few breaths. And bringing the hands down to the mat, we're stepping that left foot back to your plank. Lowering down onto your knees, to your chest. Inhale to push up into your cobra. Exhaling back to your downward facing dog. Making sure you're not looking out the elbows. Checking your fingers are spread wide. Now we're stepping that left foot back forwards into your lunge. Inhaling to extend through the arms. And again, just holding for a few breaths. And bring the hands to the mat. We're stepping that right foot in. Going straight into that halfway lift. And exhaling into your forward fold. And inhaling, coming back up to standing, extending through the arms. And then bringing the hands together into your prayer position. Bring them into your chest. And bringing the arms up again above the head, looking towards the hands. Exhale and folding forwards to the mat, into your forward fold. Inhale into your halfway lift. Placing the hands on the mat, we're stepping that left foot back into your lunge. Inhaling, bring your arms up. And again, just holding for a few breaths. And bring the hands back down to the mat. We're stepping that right foot back to your plank. Lowering down to the mat. Inhale into your cobra. And exhaling back to your downward facing dog. And again, just be mindful of those hands and arms. When you're ready, we're stepping that right foot back forwards into your lunge. Inhale and bringing the arms up. And looking towards the ceiling. Holding for a few breaths. And bring the hands back down to the mat, stepping the left foot in. Inhaling to look forwards. Exhale to your forward fold. And take an inhale, we're coming back up to standing. Bring the arms back up. And bring them together into your prayer position back in front of the heart.